Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix delay or lag in Minecraft Bedrock Edition, and as you can see, I'm using Minecraft Java version, but the steps are pretty much the same. This issue usually happens because of slow device, performance high graphic settings, or unstable internet connection during gameplay. First, close all background app on your device to free up RAM and CPU, since too many running apps can cause lag. After that, just go ahead and open your Minecraft and lower your graphic options by turning off fancy graphics and reducing your render distance. You can do this by just going to Options and go to Video Settings and make sure you reduce your render distance, just like so. After that, just go ahead and click on Done. And once that you have done that, restart your device before playing again to clear temporary performance issue. If you are playing multiplayer, make sure your internet connection is stable because lag often comes from network problem. Then try switching to a closer server or realm, reason to reduce delay caused by distance. Finally, update Minecraft Bedrock. Just go to any browser to your liking and search for Minecraft Bedrock and go to the official website, and here choose the Minecraft Bedrock version and make sure it is updated to the latest version, which improves optimization and fixes performance bugs in most cases. So the simple rule is too many app or high graphics settings, because this delay and lowering settings with a fresh restart makes gameplay much smoother. And that's it. We just learned how to fix Minecraft Bedrock delay by closing background apps, lowering graphic settings, restarting the device, and improving network connection. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video